This weekend, the Lone Star State will live up to the saying, "Everything's bigger in Texas," when thousands of all-star cheerleaders and dancers arrive in Dallas for the NCAA All-Star National Championship, the largest cheerleading and dance competition in the world. Coverage begins on Saturday, March 2nd. Check out videos, photos, and results on varsity.com. Join the championship chatter too. Follow @NCA Updates and @NDA Updates on Twitter and use the hashtag NCA Nationals or NDA Nationals when tweeting. On March 1st, you can cross the border and find All-Star inspiration everywhere. Flip through the 2013 Varsity All-Star Fashion Design Book Collection and discover the latest trends. Fierce, fearless, confident, athletic? Define your own distinctive style with Varsity All-Star Fashion. Move over traditional fundraising and make room for the newest way to promote Texas-sized school spirit. VarsityColors.com allows you to promote school spirit with customized fanwear in your school colors. Get started today. Boot, scoot, and boogie your way over to the Varsity.com poll. Your favorite cheer celebrity is wanted. Just click to make your answer known. Thanks for visiting Varsity.com for the latest updates in cheerleading and dance news.